Morning. Let me get over in this Alpha Trading Discord. Holy crap. There we go. Let's see. Bonk, yes. So what do we have here? Bonk? What the heck is bonk, says the traditional market traders. That's what the crypto traders are asking too. What is this mysterious bonk? All right. Just a meme coin, kind of like Doge on the Solana blockchain now. And this thing is off the chain right now, running up 14% today. All right, good stuff. I just had it on. I was looking at it this morning. Let's go over to BTC, see what BTC is doing. Holding strong. See if BTC tested its new weekly range, and I know it did. Almost the center of it. Looking good too. Almost made a 1 SD move to the downside. That is the first standard deviation normal distribution is right at the center of the weekly. Wow, that would have been a great little scalp. Indeed, indeed. Now it's back up above top side. Well, let me see here. It's back up in the 68.3 Laplace distribution range. Let me see here real quick. Let me schedule this down. Yeah, where's the top of that monthly at? It's at 40K, right? Yep, it is. 40K up here, top of the monthly, 40,780 area. Interesting. As you can see, I just talked about, already tested center of the weekly, popped it right back up, back into the 68.3 Laplace. Let's see if Bitcoin can close the day above 37.7. 37.7. That's going to be the second resistance level on the monthly volatility range. You got the first resistance level on the new weekly volatility range right at the 1 SD to the top side. Is BTC going to do a 1 SD move to the bottom and then to the top within the day? Sure can. And remember, when it comes to normal distribution, those 1 SDs, there's a 68.3% chance BTC is going to close below 38,627 and above like 36.7. Gotcha. 36.7. That's what we're talking about. Almost $1,000 range, man. Pretty good. Pretty good. So where are these distribution levels? Where can you use these? In options, right? Pretty easy.
Hey, bro. I think you're starting to stream on Discord.
What's that?
Yeah, there's no screen in this. So.
This is the second time in a row. This is the second time in a row, or third time in a row, that I have literally shared the screen and it hasn't shared, and I've had to do it twice. I don't know what's going on. Pretty wild. Things being all jacked up. TradingView, you're trying to sell your Black Friday subscriptions, and your shit's not running very well. We love you though, man. We love you, and I'm sure it's cashiers, things of that nature.
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah, it's up now. But like Thursday and Friday, I had to load it up twice. I mean, that's the first thing I do when I come into Discord to share my screen. I don't know why it wasn't showing. It's all good. Because you know why? It's showing now. Yeah, bro. Let's see here. Yeah, Sol, of course. Sol's going to be, I'm telling you, man, Sol's been beating the top side of that monthly range. Remember that. Literally, by the end of the first week, Sol was up at the top of its monthly. So, yeah. Going to be consolidating. Is there even such a thing? It's going to be up there near the top of that monthly. Let's see here. Barring BTC really dumps out. There's a lot of buy pressure, though, from what I'm seeing on these charts. You see, so I've got BTC up there. Let's throw BTC on the RMLRs. Let me flip over real quick just to make sure. Good, I got that switched. Oh, nice. Is that on the 1 minute? Gotcha. See what Dixie's doing. Wow, Dixie fell off a little bit of a cliff there, didn't it? SPY back up over 450. Lovely. What's gold doing? Pulling back a little bit. Wow.
Did you receive the PIT airdrop?
Wow. What are you saying?
Did you receive the PIT airdrop?
The what airdrop?
PIT. It was like $1,000 airdrop. Probably you got more.
What do you? What, I don't understand what airdrop you're saying. Bit.
I will write it in the chat.
Yeah, write it in the chat, my friend. Let me see here. I mean, I got bonk burn. Got a bonk burn
Yeah, but
airdrop.
it's serious. It's an infrastructure airdrop. It's not like Bonk.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Bonk is for the meme. This is a serious airdrop.
And bonk will probably outperform it. Does look at Doge. Doge wasn't worth anything. It's what, over 8 cents right now. And what was the high on Doge? Don't ever throw shade at meme coins, man. Crypto's crazy, right?
50 cents was the high, I think, somewhere around 50 cents.
Yeah, dude, just insane. People that held on to their freaking Doge from the early days, millionaires,
Yeah.
millionaires overnight, just off a meme coin. Pretty crazy. Let's see here. Let me go in this live chat. Is that where you? Let's see. Let's see if you posted in there. Piff. No, I have no clue, man. I have no clue about that airdrop. I mean, I could have got it, but I haven't seen anything. I mean, my Phantom is it? Does it run on Solana?
It's actually it's a cross-chain infrastructure that provides data for protocols. So
Oh, another one of them. Got you.
if you staked your soul, if you made some swaps on any platform, probably you got it, and you got like 4,000 for each wallet that you. So
Yeah.
it's like $5,000 for free for you, probably. You need to check your eligibility. I can share the link if you need. Hold on.
Yeah, put it in there.
This,
And what, you can just pop your address in to see if you got a drop? I mean, I've looked at all my wallets this morning. I mean, there's nothing out of the ordinary, but I haven't been using any swaps really.
yeah, I posted it into the chat.
I got you. I'll check it when we're done here. I see it. Okay, what am I on? Daily on BTC? Wow. Look at these RMLRs, man. BTC's got no chill right now. You literally have, you know what, though? Dun, 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 dun. Is that 11 getting ready to just, let me check something real quick. It's just hard to distinguish which is which. Yeah, okay. All right. So the 11's coming up and then just immediately dropping back down below the 30. Kind of in the future here. Let me see. Yeah. Do like this though for a target for the day here. Let me see. What are we working at? 38.4, huh? Is this thing getting ready to pop a grand? One never knows. And we're going to have to go to lower time frames. I mean, look at this variance on the weekly, still coming down negatively correlated, setting up hidden bull. Still trend. Now, this week, getting into a little bit of a deeper trend. Drop below the 2 SD band, still above the third. Volatility contracting negatively correlated? Yeah, at least the 981, 525. It looks like the 2400 is pretty flat. Pretty freaking flat. Drop down here on the daily. Let's check you out, BTC. What are we setting up here? A little bit of a hidden bear. Little bit of hidden bear. Total random walk. What's going on with the volatility? Yeah, 2400's flat, just like on the weekly. 981, 20, and 525 are contracting positively correlated. Let's see. Actually, did we get a lower low here? Let's check this out. Nope. A little bit of a higher low. So not any hidden. No hidden unless we jump back over to here, and there definitely is. Just not this low. Got, what do we got? 1, 2, pretty much 3 points. Hidden bull. Popped it right up off the 9 log MA. Having trouble with this 4-hour reverse Fisher. You can see this little pump we had over the weekend. Woo! Pulled back. Or was that at the beginning? Yeah, that was actually, what's that, 11? Yeah, going in the last 3-hour candles going into the close yesterday. Had a nice little pump. We haven't had a 4-hour candle close above that Fisher since last week, Wednesday. But you can see what happened, right? You bounce off the 99 log MA, rip right back down to it, send a couple wicks in. Here we are. But yeah, here on this 4-hour candle, we're literally ranging in between the top side of the power mean band, 9 log MA, and reverse Fisher. Starting to drop into trend. Let's see here. Okay, you got all the volatility. All 3 lengths of volatility are contracting. 525, 981 are negatively correlated. 2400 is positive, though. That's what are we getting? Big, nice little doji. Okay, 90 minute. Let's see here. Setting up a little bear. Setting up some bear div. Be aware of this cross that's getting ready to happen. I would imagine, depending on how this 90-minute candle goes, that it's going to cross the zero mean on the close here. When's this close? How much time we got? 1 hour. Hour and 5 minutes. Okay. Hour and 5 minutes. Let's back. Oh, you know what? That 90-minute come right back down the wave trend. Sure did. Sent a wick right into the cross. We all know about this. Real crosses, not your golden cross, death cross, all that madness. We got wave trend crossing up Fisher here. Got a wick right to it too. Beautiful. Beautiful that it pulled back up. Closed that candle back up above the top side of the power mean band. Bitcoin. Goodness gracious. Had a little pullback here. Didn't close a candle below 33 log MA. Kicked it right back up top side of the power mean band. Okay, you get down here on the 45. There is no bear div. Like that. Volatility is pretty expanded. I mean, you got the 2400 about an 88.25. Okay, we got room for expansion. 525, 981 are positively correlated, and they are still, everything's still expanding, but you got 2400 length, correlation broke negative. So yeah, we're getting a big fat bodied doji. Down to 33 here. Let's take a quick EOP. Yeah, no bear div here either. Like that. DLP's starting to build a little bit. It's to the downside though. Yeah, here we go. You got 2400, 981 contracting positive, while 525 is expanding positive. On the let's see here. What's the 25? What have got? 37, 160. Gotcha. What's this wave trend at? It's a little bit below. About the 9 log MA. Yeah, pretty much. 33 power mean, 9 log MA is about, on this current 33 minute candle, 95.4 Laplace range. Right in there. Starting to have a little outlier to the downside too. There is no bear div, like I said though. It's gonna be hard to set up hidden bull. All right. Now I'm just gonna go down the 15 minute. Variance coming down positively correlated. There's no bear div. No bear div at all, but you're getting ready to cross the zero mean. Looks like was in a slight trend to the top side, popping up off 2 SD band. Let's see, you got the 525 contracting positive. Yeah, this isn't looking too good here. You got the, it looks like 981, 2400 are expanding negative. Okay, which is gonna, look at the variance, positively correlated. Contracting variance, heading back to the mean. Haven't quite caught the zero mean yet though. Much time's left? 1 minute. Let's see what happens on this. Let's see what happens on it. Well, they just all have a run and all this Bitcoin ETF news, getting people all shook up. Stop worrying about it. How about that? How about everybody just stop worrying about it? Stop with all the news. It really doesn't matter. Would an ETF be positive for Bitcoin? That's the question. We all know what it did for gold. BTC, though, telling you, man. Don't get caught up in the madness. Don't get caught up in the madness. Crypto is just so scalp friendly. It's ridiculous if you understand how to scalp it. Can't use lagging information, especially on low time frames where you will be scalping. We're not talking about swing trading. Good luck swing trading cryptocurrency. You're going to get lucky every once in a while without getting your stop losses taken out or getting liquidated? Maybe. Most people that use leverage in swing trade probably have never even withdrawn money from exchanges back into their bank account. Right? Do you guys understand what trading is all about? It's about making money, not continually depositing money into your accounts. Continually depositing money into your accounts. Goodness gracious. Feels good. If you make some profit, turn it into cash. All right, turn it into cash. Do something with it.
You win.
That's right. You do win. Yeah, and this 15 minutes pretty far up here. Tell you what, though, wave trend's turning up. I'm looking for a little bit of pullback. Let me see something here. But, I mean, this thing could just come back down the bottom side of the 68.3, center of the daily. You know, right in there. You got the top side of the daily right at the bottom side of the 68.3. That's why BTC just got into the center of its range. That's it. That's enough BTC. Let's see Sol. I know Sol tested its weekly. Like I said, guys, you're going to see it right here. Here's the top of the monthly range. I mean, Sol has been having issues. All right, bring it all in. I mean, we have been beaten up and down against this thing for literally almost 2 weeks. So it is what it is. I'm waiting for a monthly close for Solana. I'm not saying it can't close outside of this. But this is why you're seeing all the sell pressure up in this area, guys. Top of the monthly range. You think the algos know where this is at? Yeah. They're taking profits every time. Every time it gets up there, man. Taking profits. The daily haven't closed the candle below the 1SD to the downside. Good stuff. Now it's about to break down below the 1SD. Not too wide of a monthly or a weekly range either. Be a bit surprised if this thing just stays in this range. I'm talking between like 62 and 58. 62 and 58. Which is going to be some great scalps on low time frames. Let me see here. Let's see what Solana's looking like though. Let's pop it up on the main chart. Boom. Up onto 2-day. I mean, look at the 2-day. Okay. Just beating up against that thing, man. Coming out of that trend, finally. Still trending. DLP definitely contracting. Oh, whoa. Hello, 2-day. Hello, 2-day volatility. Look at the 525 volatility. I mean, this thing fell off a cliff and it is printing zeros with grade. Look out, man. What's this wave trend at on the 2-day? 32.23. 45, huh? God, that's even 13 points below. Top side of the power mean band. Solana just looks bullish, man. It's doing some wild stuff. I mean, we had the bear div right here across the zero mean. We had to pull back to the top side of the power mean band. That's all. That is all the bulls gave up, man. And you're right back here. I mean, 1, 2, 3, fourth wick into the top side of the power mean band. It's going to check up on the 9 log MA at 54.89. Good. Could be a good short. But there is no bear div this time. Right? There is no bear div this time. And this has just been the run of bear div, hidden bull. Right? Okay, let's see here. What's a volatility? Contracting, positively correlated, flat, boom, boom, positive. All right. That's the daily. Let's look at the 4-hour. Just hanging above the wave trend. That's always bullish, man. Every 4-hour close, that wave trend just goes higher and higher and higher and higher. I mean, on the 4-hour, we got the 99 log MA up to 50. Pretty powerful. What was the wave trend on the daily? Yeah, 39.83 on the daily. You know, that'd be almost a 20-point pullback. All right, 90 minutes. 90 minute. What are we doing over here? A nice DLP candle building. Got about 55 minutes left too. Okay. Got the power mean band, all 3 log MAs below Fisher. Which makes sense. Let me see here. Yeah, and of course, where's the 90-minute Fisher? Right at the top side of the monthly volatility range. Having an outlier right now on the 90-minute too. Coming off some hidden bear, right? You get a higher high on the returns oscillator, lower high on the data set, right when it's rejecting off the top side of the power mean band. There are ways to read these charts, man. Just give yourself some time. Everything works together. Very powerful. I mean, this would have been a great scalp, right? 2 now. This was awesome. You could have taken profit down here at the 33 log MA. Or the 33 power mean. Excuse me. That thing pulled right back up, dumped right back. I mean, 2 great scalps right in a row on these 90 minutes. Let's go down here. Let's see this lower. Oh boy, look at this fun. Ain't we got fun? There was no bear div down here though. Hidden bear right here on the 45. Let's see. You get a lower low here. Going to be setting up some bull div. Random walk. Starting to drop in the trend though to the downside. Volatility's expanded 100 percentile. 981 and 525 are at 100%. So is grade. You get some contraction here, though. Look out. Look out, right? Get contraction. It's already negatively correlated. Look at all the correlation breaks all over the place. On the 33. This thing set up hidden here, too. It did back here for sure. Setting up a bunch, really. You're below the reverse fissure. That's what I'm saying. You know, you get down there through these low time frames. This is what's leading me to believe that we are going to hover up here. In between like 58 and 62, in my opinion. A lot of good scalps. Here's the 15. Trending. Hitting the 2 SD band right now. Yep. Volatility staying down. It is doing it. Variance just turned up positively correlated, though, so look out. We got the wave trend. All 3 log MAs up here around 60. I'd be a bit surprised to see this thing just rip right back up. Even though what volatility's saying, when's this close? 8 minutes. 8 minutes. See the 9-minute chart. Oh, look at the fun down here. Yep, hidden bear. Hidden bear. Beautiful. All these hidden bear plays, man. Powerful. Let me see something real quick. Yeah, there's a bunch of bear divs setting up on the 4-hour on Sol. Bunch of bear divs setting up on the 4-hour on Sol. You know what? Let's party here. Let me see. What we got? Yeah, let's pull it up. Why not? And of course, this is what you're usually going to see. Let me change up. 14. No. Let's make it just like the returns oscillator on a 7. Let's see if that changed it up at all. And even made it worse. Guys, do you see this? This is what we're trying to explain to everybody. This is what just burns our britches that people don't see it, man. You're using this indicator, and it is a worthless piece of garbage. Literally. Let me turn off this stupid MA, too. There we go. There we go. Now, look. All these higher highs on Solana on the 4-hour. The returns oscillator is literally telling you, pull back imminent, pull back imminent. When did it really start to happen? When it crosses zero mean. Meanwhile, there was it wasn't anywhere on the RSI, right? You're just, what do you even look at this indicator for, man? Makes 0 sense. Now you're starting to have an outlier too. This could go deeper. This could go deeper. There's only one type of divergence between price action and returns. The faster you figure that out, the better off you're going to be. Because you can catch some great moves on low time frames when you're scalping. Especially when you have the power mean band. It usually all sets up bear div, bull div, the hidden divergences. Right? When you're setting up those hidden divergences and you're rejecting or bouncing off the bottom side of power mean bands, wave trends, fissures, the log MAs. Pie. Chocolate pie. Yeah, like Python. I'm just reading the chat. Sorry, folks. But do you get what I'm cooking here? RSI worthless. These are on the same lengths. You got to realize it, folks. You got to realize it. The sooner, the better. The sooner, the better. Put down here on the 1 minute. Yeah. Starting to bounce out of this little hole, aren't you, buddy? Oh, look, RSI actually showed something. Did it show the hidden bear? Absolutely not. Lower high, lower high. Higher high on the returns oscillator. Hey, guys, hidden bear setting up, all right? The higher high is at the 2 SD band. What are you going to do? And you're at the 99 log MA right when all that's going down. Not bottom side of the power mean band, but you got the 9, 33, 99 log MAs, bottom side of the power mean band, reverse wave trend. Great play right there. Great play right there. And our prediction model flip negative, all right? Flip to the downside. Yeah. Great day to have leading information, isn't it? Great day.
Indeed.
Guys, link to the Discord's in the description. You know, ZenTap put a message in the public chat last week. Nobody even responded to it. What are you guys out there doing, man? All right. Ask some questions when you get these free charts. Come in, request the volatility starter pack. You're going to get it for free, and all the educational channels that go along with it. Come in, pull the chart up, ask questions. All right. We're here to help you. We're not to make money off you. We're here to help you. We don't care if you come in this Discord and never upgrade. You got that free chart. You can learn how to trade that thing. All right. Now, is our indicator package better? Of course it is. You've got a lot of different information that you're going to get more information getting our subscription package than you are from the free volatility starter pack. But that's why. Work with that for a month, maybe even 2 months. Get the basics down. Then check out the free trial. We even have a 2-week free trial to everything you're seeing here. And if it's not for you, fine. All right. You can continue to use that free chart as long as you stay in the Discord. You can answer all the questions. And I know there's a lot of people out there. Okay, so what's the scam? There is no scam. Immediately, you're going to realize we have no affiliate links, right? You hardly ever heard. I mean, if you come into the Discord immediately and want to buy our indicator package, we're going to try to turn you around in the other direction, right? You got to learn the basics to volatility first. Who else? Show me anybody else out there that's selling indicators is going to tell you, no, we highly recommend you don't just go ahead and buy the indicators. You got to learn the basics first. That's what I mean. If you keep pounding us, though, of course we're going to sell them to you. But here's what happens. You buy the indicator package. You don't understand what you're looking at. The month goes by. You don't resubscribe. We never hear from you again. You go right back to your old tendencies, your old ways of trading with lagging in information. You continue to lose in the markets. I really don't get it. I don't. It blows my mind. But I think a lot of people just do it maybe for fun. They're masochists, as Centap would say. Total masochists, man. They love pain. What is wrong with you? Goodness gracious, man. And more times than not, you're going to get great entries. And when you don't get a great entry, and I'm talking to you too out there in traditional TA land, using lagging information. For God's sakes, get out of the trade. Any pumps or dumps I see in crypto, and then I go over and look at the liquidation charts, it just blows my mind. I mean, what are you guys doing out there, man? Just giving away your money. Makes no sense at all. All you got to do is get out of the damn position. What is it, ego? You just like losing money? Trying to get some a tax break? I don't get it. I really don't. Well, I do, because everybody's watching. A lot of traders out there. Let's be real. A lot of these traders out there, you guys just want signals. That's all you want. You don't want to learn how to trade. Oh, God forbid you do that. You just want signals. Oh, YouTube Jimmy said go long. And he's already taught me how to use leverage. And he got me on this great exchange. They really care about me. He sent me emails all the time trying to give me free shit and blah, 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 blah.
YouTube Jimmy is right. We should always use 1000x leverage. We should get more money.
Yeah.
At least 1000x. At least 1000x leverage.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise, it's not fun.
There's some Forex exchanges out there that have it. What does that want?
Yeah.
It's insane. You think 100x is too much? Why not dip into 1000x?
Yeah.
Crazy, man.
Win big. Very big.
Right. Exactly. Nice. I see.
Yeah, I mean, when you're trading commodities and stuff, they can move really slow at times, and so that's why those exchanges have crazy amounts of leverage, and also Forex. But generally, just a bad idea if you can avoid it.
No, man, Forex is safe. You need to use like bonk 1000x leverage.
All right, so like I said, I mean, this thing has been at the top of the monthly range for quite some time. It's okay. I mean, it really look, unless crypto really dumps out going into the end of the month here, I'm telling you, Solana's probably going to be in that range, man. Probably going to be in that range, 58 to 62, right in there. Could go down a little bit more, Let me see here. When you pop up on these higher time frames, I mean, you got the 9 log MA at 54.89. 54.89. We're going to come down and test that 9. I mean, we literally have not done it since October 15th. Yeah. There's October 16th. A nice doji on my birthday. Beautiful. Good Solana.
No. By the way, there was a nice intersect on the 4 hour on Sol in the last candle. So this move down on this candle, not a surprise.
Oh, Dixie popped up a little bit. Let me see here. Yeah. You said 4 hour on Sol.
Well, I have it on my power mean 4 hour.
Oh yeah, crossing in the 11 length, crossing up to the 30 or 33. Power mean. Yeah, and this is what I'm saying. I mean, this thing's going to continue probably. I wouldn't be a bit surprised to see it climb back over. Here we go. 61.36. It's up here. 65, a little high. Right in this range right here. Can it get back up there? I mean, that's damn near the top side of the power mean band. 61.42. It's at 61.99. 61.99.
Yeah, like 12 minutes on the 4 hour candle left. We'll see.
Prediction model is the downside up there. Or on the 4, not up there, down there on the 4 hour. Here's the daily, which prediction models are the top side. Came back to 57.28, went down to 57.92 is the low of the day. Sent some wicks down into this. Which one is that? That is the 30. All right. Here's the 11. It's the top side, 64.1. I'm not saying we can't get any pumps up to these higher ranges. All right. But you can see what's been going on right around 62. All right. Got a lot of wicks up in here, man. Go up here because on a weekly we can probably get these RMLRs. Wow, way above. Goodness. So I'm saying this thing can mean revert going into the end of the month, man. For sure. Although we only got a couple of weeks. I'm saying going in, because you mean revert back to these RMLRs on the weekly? Wow, gonna be mass pain. Talking around 30. 50% pullback. Yeehaw! Time to back the truck up if that happens. Indeed. Let's go lower. Let's go to a 90. What you doing down here? Probably right together. They are, and we're below. Yeah, this thing's looking like it's going to come down. No, this thing could just mosey right along, hanging out above 58. Yeah, up above the 33 power mean still, which is good. But you do have the 11 crossing down the 30 right now. Be aware if it crosses down here. I mean, we could get lower. Remember that daily? What was that 9 at 50? Hold on here. 54.9. 54.9. Yeah, below the 3 SD band on the 90 minute. Doubt we're going to hit it this candle. Plus, you got the 99.7 Laplace right at the 2 SD volatility band around that RMLR. Boy, those bands just crushed down on price action, though. All right. Show me the money. Yeah, below here as well. The future RMLRs look, they're just tied up in a knot. When you know how this thing populates into the future, you see why. You see why. Just going sideways, man. Just going sideways. Which that's a good thing. That's kind of proving the point I'm talking about, to be honest. Down below, yep, below in the 15 too. Below the 15 too. This thing could just go back and forth. I mean, mean reversion's so close. UPM not going to populate. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, still, man. Soul. Power for a little soul. Indeed. Let me see here. We got band up. Shorts piling on. Good luck, shorts. Next down, bonk. Bonk is just a beast, man. Good Lord. Look at this thing. Level up, bonk. Level up. All right. Let's pop over on traditional markets. Whoops. There we go. There we go. Check out Dixie. See where Dixie's new weekly is. Whew, what a sell-off, man. Good stuff. Still, bottom of the monthly range, right? Bottom of the monthly, correct? I think I've been saying that. Yeah, man. This thing's been hovering around the bottom of the monthly. So you got Dixie at the bottom of the monthly. I'm telling you, man, look out. If Dixie makes a run back to the monthly volatility range, traditional market's just going to get pounded. So is gold. Gold has not really taken too much advantage. You think gold will be over 2K right now? Not having it. He got shut down at about 1980, I'm pretty sure. Let me see here. 92. Yeah, there it was. Center of the daily volatility range, 84. Dropped down, already did. Yeah, look at you. There you go. 1 SD. Center of the weekly. And the dollar's tested its weekly. Or gold, sorry. Gold tested its weekly. Let me see something. And the dollar has not tested its weekly. 104.176. The sell pressure on Dixie. It is real. It is real. God, look at those minis, man. Remember, we were talking about this on Friday. How'd that work out, Pete Funk? That thing popped, didn't it? Let me see. We got 72.
If you're watching us on TradingView, click that rocket icon.
Click the. Yeah,
if you're watching on YouTube, well, that's amazing. You can also click the like if you want, but it makes no difference.
Yeah.
Whatever. On TV, click that rocket because we like rockets. Well, those kind of rockets, anyway.
We like rocket icons.
We like the rocket icons on TradingView.
We don't like random rockets flying around.
Right. Yeah.
Stupidity. Well, start throwing rockets around, you get what you get, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. If you didn't know, now you know.
Yeah.
I don't know what they think. Oh, it's a tiny country. Yeah. It's got a hell of a whipping stick. Hell of a whipping stick. Oh, fuck. All right. Let me see here. The dollar. I'm going to pop this over here, man. Is there any? I'm looking for some bull div on the dollar. Let's see what's happening there. Jesus, look at this daily, man. You get an outlier to the top side too. I mean, look at this down move, man. Right? You have outliers to the downside. Correlation coming down, positively correlated. I'm surprised it really didn't dump out before. It waited for the outlier, man. Waited for the outlier. Look at the wicks on the top side, though. That's that variance for you. But then you had another outlier. Now it's coming. This is what I'm talking about. Immediate, right? You had a little bit. You ejecting off the Fisher on the daily and dropping even more. Goodness. There is some bull div here. There is some bull div on the daily. There is indeed. Is there any on the RSI? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It was the RSI showing the hidden bear that spilled this thing out again. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Shame, shame, shame. Was it showing the bear div that brought the first move down here at the top side of the power mean band? No. You actually, same. High's about the same. Look at the returns oscillator, though. Sets up the bear div, drops below the zero mean, bottom falls out of it. Then you get a higher high on the returns oscillator, which set up the hidden bear. Continuation divergence to the downside. Now it's setting up bull div. Still trending to the downside. So let's see. You don't have a returns oscillator. You don't have an indicator that shows you when the market is actually in trend. What are you looking at? God, man, what is going on outside? Sky looks pretty weird. Very, what's the term? Tornadic. Tornadic. If this was in the summer or spring, I'd be like, we might have some tornadoes coming in. Hey, man, weather's crazy right now. Wouldn't put anything by it. So we got the bull div setting up there. Let's see if there's any on the 2-day. Absolutely. Is there on the RSI? Absolutely not. Oh, that guy's doing something. Oh, the RSI is a great indicator. Okay, look, man. Let's go to the inputs. I got a 7 length, right? Got a 7 length, no smoothing. Go over here, RSI. 7 length. Speaks for itself, right? Speaks for itself. I don't know what else to tell you, people. You're setting up bull div right now on the 2-day, on the dollar, and you're below the power mean band. You're below the Fisher. You got wave trend up here at 104.8. That's like 1.3 points above. If you're looking at the freaking RSI, there you go. Okay, we got lower lows. So up here on the 3-day, you're okay. Look at this 5-day on Dixie. 5-day on Dixie. Interesting. It definitely was showing the bear div, man. It was showing the bear div at the top. Which RSI? Of course it wasn't. All right, man. Let's drop down. What is going on here? Move, mouse, move. Okay, so look at the daily, the higher time frames. Boom, boom. There we go again. Now we're all the way down on the 4-hour. Bull div. Bull div here locally. See the RSI? Lower lows, man. Higher lows on the returns oscillating. We are above. Got wave trend up here at about 104.7. 104.7. 90 minutes. 90 minutes. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, you gotta. Yep. Nothing. 45. What do we got going on? Yeah, you had some bear div, brought it down. Of course, it wasn't on the RSI. 90% of the time, it's not. That's why when people trade divergence using the RSI, you wonder why you always lose those trades. There you go, man. There you go. God, even the power mean band was tightening up big time on the 45, rejecting off the Fisher. Down we go. I'm trying to find a bright spot. I mean, there is bull div on those higher time frames, but damn, even got some bear div right here. It's not on the RSI. Do I need to keep saying this? Probably not. But this is why I got it up. You guys, it's a worthless piece of junk, man. It lags really bad. Why? Because price doesn't follow price. Price follows the returns. Doesn't it make sense to have a returns oscillator? That's where the divergence is. That's what's going to really show the imbalance in the buy and sell pressure. That's where it's really going to show where people are literally taking their profits. Right? That's what the divergence between price action returns is telling you, right? The return on your investment is diminishing. I can't put it in better English than that. If you don't understand it, stick with us. You'll figure it out sooner or later. And if you have, I got somebody new. If you want an asset looked at and you're listening on TradingView, pop it in the chat. Also, Alpha Voice. If you hover over Alpha Voice, you'll see a chat box. Click on it. If you have any assets you want to look at and you're in the Discord chat, put it in there. I'll pop it up. I got no problems looking at anything. And I'm jacked on coffee, so cheers. Poor dollar. Yeah, this thing just looks like it's going to continue on these low time frames. I mean, where are you moving to, though? You're at the bottom of the weekly range, or bottom of the monthly range. Do I think the dollar's going to pop out of there at some point? I do. If you're watching the RSI, you have no clue when, but there is bull div on higher time frames setting up for a move back. Down there on the 15, this thing's starting to drop in the trend. Still a random walk. Oh, more news? Oh, they want to comment. Dollars 2023 uptrend versus the yen ends. Oh, boy. Meanwhile, I'm sure yen is crushing the dollar. Down 0.86 today. Down. All right. Got these shit talkers. So they're saying it's over. Now, I told you, on macro time frames, it does look, the dollar is setting up some bull div. Right on this pair. Just went down to the bottom side of the power mean band. Is this going to reject off the zero mean? Sure could. Last trend was to the downside. Last few trends have been to the downside. You get down here on the 15-minute. Okay, let's see this daily. No div, man. No freaking div. And it wasn't even on. I mean, you had, was there? Yeah. There was some hidden bull. Or no, there was some bear div. Sorry. There was some bear div on the daily that sent this thing tumbling. Did it show on the RSI? Wait a minute. Is it bear or is it hidden? Give me a second. You know what? I'm going to take that back. No div on the top side. No div on the top side. It's these old eyes, man. I'm about to have to wear readers. Look at my damn charts. But you're having an outlier to the downside, though, on the daily. I wouldn't be a bit surprised to see this down at about 146.95. Guys, that's about another 1.5 points. Come down. I mean, you tested this 99 log MA back on, let's see, July 27th and right around July 13th. Right? And then the dollar went on a little run, crushing the yen. Yen's saying, no. Look at the DLP candle. Criminy, Pete, say, 3SD. Oh, wow. When's the last time we really tested the wave trend? Got the 33 power mean right there. Wave trend, that was back March 20th. March 20th, last wave trend. You come down on this 5-day wave trend on this pair, 141, 142, 6.3 points. Yikes. All right, 4 hour. I would imagine this thing's probably showing some bull. Yeah, a lot of it. Look at the RSI, man. Lower lows. Look at the returns oscillator. All higher lows, man. All higher lows. You had one here. But you can see. Look at this. Good Lord, man. Poor people. Stop using it. And on the 90 minutes, this thing's setting up hidden bear. Hidden bear. There is a little bit on the RSI. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Old Corky showing something. Let's see. But overall, not showing it. Look, from this point right here, still got a higher high. So you got a couple stabs up here on the returns oscillator. Only one here locally. But everybody's like, oh, hey, we're at the bottom down here, man. Look, RSI is almost below whatever that hell line is. I don't even know how to read this thing anymore. I haven't used it in so long. I just know that most times RSI is going one way, returns are going the other, and then people realize why they're getting knocked out of trades using it. You're better off just analyzing the damn data set, right? If you learn how to read price action, you're better off throwing the RSI away and not using it at all than using it. Hell, throw a dart at a dartboard. Red or green, which way are we going? If it goes against me, I'll just get out of the trade. You're better off guessing. Better off guessing. Okay, that's enough of that pair. Let me see if we got anything really getting crushed here. Yen's crushing the Canadian dollar, just about like the US dollar. We got, wow. Ruble making a comeback on the dollar too, man. 1.7. Holy crap. No liquidity, man. Not on these low time frames. There we go. You want to see what algos look like? There you go, buddy. Looks like Tron's data set during the 2017 bull run. Just gross. Oh no. Zambia. What's going on with the kwacha, man? You're still losing steam. Still losing steam. A weak dollar. Even a weaker kwacha. Same with Turkey, man. Same with the lira. Goodness gracious. Yeah, it's enough Forex. You poor weak dollar. Any stocks popping good? Let's see. Silver pulling back 1% almost. What's it still above 23.5? Get on silver. Yeah, look at these stocks. Pop Coinbase 4.24% up. Damn, Coinbase 103.25. Good on you, buddy. Make a run. Make a run, little Coinbase. Bond yields creeping. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, the lady at the bank, she's like, "Would you like to talk to somebody about some bonds?" I just looked at her cross-eyed. Are you fucking serious? No thanks. That's what I think about the U.S. bonds. Let me see. Spirit Airlines still making its move. Got to love it. Let's see here. Nope, nothing. Yeah, traditional markets just no fun. Let's look at SPY though. Let's see what's going on. This thing is just climbing. You're above the daily Fisher. What's wave churn at? 434. Ouch. Look at the bear div flashing, man. On the S&P. Is it showing on the RSI? No. Why would it be? Why would it be? Coming out of trend, too. Still trending. This thing can turn back down. This thing can go higher, man. All the volatility is contracting, negatively correlated. So there's that. So there is that. And from the cross, right there at the bottom of the data set, from the cross, you're definitely setting up some hidden bull, too. Good Lord. Spider creeping. Got all 8 legs working. You're above the power mean band. You bounced right off, not right off. You dipped a little bit below the power mean band, the 99 log MA, and just ripped it up. Ripped it up pretty much since the beginning of the month, man. This thing has been on a nice slow rise. Yeah, October 26th when we had the turnaround. Right at the end of October. Let's see here. Got all the volatility contracting. 525, 2400 negative, 981 is positive. I'd be a bit surprised to see a little wick on the top side here before the day's over, or especially before this 5-day candle's over. Just seeing that volatility read. Indeed. And right now, what are we doing here? Now, from back here, yeah, higher highs, man. Higher highs. Where's this at on the 21? Wow. Good 21-day candle for SPY, man. Like I just said, this 21-day candle pop. And look what it did. It dipped below the 33 power mean, 9 log MA, closed a nice doji right up above it. Writing was on the wall there. Because what is a doji? Right? What is that literally telling you in the markets? What is a doji? People don't know what the hell is going on. That's what it means. Right? Let's see here. Little uncertainty. But when you rip it back up and close above the 33, I mean, that top side of the power mean band was a no-brainer. Would I have taken profit there? Absolutely. Now you're 14 points above there. Look out. I looked at the daily. Let's look at this 4-hour. We got some bear. Having an outlier. Tell you what, it will be, if you get a rejection off the zero mean right here, yeah, it will be a lower high. Of course, the returns oscillator. I don't know what it means. Oh, we're flashing too. Does that mean, oh, look out? Having an outlier to the top side, though, on the 4-hour. Let's see here. SPY. Let's see where you're at. Let's see where your weekly was. I mean, pretty much last week, literally, on Tuesday, that thing gapped up, just been up ever since. Went sideways the rest of the week. I saw a lot of people talking, this is boring. Yeah, absolutely. All the volatility was in crypto. Maybe you didn't notice. SPY has not tested its weekly. Previous day, all over it. And now, see, now if we would have, that wick right there went to the bottom of the daily. Percentage-wise, close enough. Thursday was down in on it. No, I don't like this at all. Where are you? Top side of the 68.3. 453. Top side of the freaking new weekly range at about 449. A little bit below. Remember, these data sets, man, they like to test into the meat of these most of the time. 1 SD move. Third support level on the daily volatility range. Let's get some low time frame reads here. What am I, 4 hour? Let's go down through 90. What did I say that number was? 1 SD, about 447. Let's see here. Little low on the 90. What are we doing here? Kind of flat above the zero mean. Not maybe. I think I need to go get some readers. Shit. Yeah, higher highs. There we go. There's the 1 SD to the downside. Reverse wave trend on the 45 minute. No div. Not flashing here either. Pretty much returns oscillator. Pretty even highs there. Coming down negatively correlated too. Goodness gracious. 448.58. We got down there at 450. 4 actually a little bit right around here too. It's about a 1 SD right in here. Talking daily. There's the bear div. Returns oscillator. What's happening here? Let me reset my price scale. There we go. Crossing the zero mean right now too. Did I say that 1 SD was? There's 450.38. 450.38. Right here. Bottom of the daily. Bottom of the 68.3. Right in this range. Right about there. And there is bear div. And it has crossed the zero mean. You're trending though. Trending to the top side. Low time frame volatility contracting negative 20 or 981 expanding positive 2400 kind of flat negative. Pretty much staying up. That's what we're getting to. And I mean, you're doing nothing. You're setting up hidden bull too. I'll tell you what though, you come down here and you close the candle below this reverse fissure, all that hidden bull's gone. You will see this play out. You're positively correlated here too. Variance, negatively correlated. And considering where you're at on the VRE, what is that? Second resistance level on the daily, 68.3 Laplace to the top side. Yeah, man. I don't know. Especially where the dollar's at. I definitely would not be buying any intraday calls, I'll tell you that. That ship sailed already. That was the first trade of the day. And everything I just went through, probably a good trade. Hopefully you're out. You took your profit. There's the 9 minute.
See, we don't give
bear div.
We don't give signals. We give probabilities.
Yes.
For the upside and the downside. But if you know how to read these indicators, they're really blasting you with signals constantly, and those signals are the probabilities. They are indicating the probabilities to you. That's the signals, if you will. If you're a signals hunter, I guess you can come here and learn how to read these indicators, and then you're going to get non-stop signals from the indicators. Because that's what they do. They provide you with signals of information telling you the probabilities based on leading information of highly relevant maths for trading. So yeah, signals. There's nothing wrong. You go on signals. I get it. Go on signal. That's fine. Learn to use these tools. You got to non-stop see your signals. The probabilities. Yeah. I mean, listen to what Bilbo's telling you. Like, if you're watching the stream, he's been just non-stop reading the charts, telling you the probabilities of these things that you're looking at. And guess what? Those probabilities are highly accurate. You know why? Because math. That's why. And it's the math that is traded by the machines that trade most trades on any exchange at any given time on any market, period. So Doesn't really matter if you like the math or not. It's what runs the markets.
Indeed.
So you may as well know what it is, unless you just really like proving my point that you're a masochist, which is all right. Hey, I'm all for masochists in the market. If you want to stay masochistic, trust me, there's nothing we love more doing more in the world of trading than taking your liquidity, because you can't be bothered to learn this if we're teaching you how to learn for free. So go right ahead and knock yourself out. But just so you know, there's a reason that people like us tend to take the liquidity from people like you. Anyway, that's just my loving, caring message for you traders out there who are still devoted to losing money the old-fashioned way. Because that's how we care.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is what it is.
I know. I'm just sharing my love nugget number 79 of the day.
Right. Little nugs of action. Let's see. You knew the answer before you even asked. Can we get an analysis on something that's an hour old? No, we can't. If your freaking air job's worth $1,000, take your $1,000 and run. Hell, we can't even.
Yeah.
Hell, Aptos can't even get a good read on high time frames. That thing's barely been around. And if you're sitting in Aptos, you didn't like sell your swap Aptos into Sol during this pump. Can't help you there either. This is why you cannot fall in love with the crypto and just sit in it. Ridiculous. Should we look at like two charts, Aptos and Solana? Where was all the profit at? Show Aptos Sol. Show Aptos Sol. First, let me see something here. Where are you at, you little shitcoin? I know I got you on here. Where the hell is Aptos? No, I put it on my chart. AMD. Oh, God, it's traditional. Jesus. Hello. I was like, what are all these strange symbols? There's Aptos down here. It's up 2.74% today. Up 2.7% today. You see something's popping on here. Good Lord. You want a 4 hour? Bear div. Of course, RSI is at the top. All higher highs. Aptos to whole move up as the returns oscillators got lower lows or lower highs. And you're above the power mean band. It's on a 4 hour. You can really have a cross down here too. Maybe. This thing dumps out, you're not gonna. Hell, really, the reverse wave trend slowed down a lot. It's at 6.65. Look out. God, this could run the top of the power mean band, 7.6, and it could pull back a whole point. Pretty much. That's a lot when you're only worth $7.40. Hell, Bonk's outpacing Aptos. Bonk's on a mission. It's got its baseball bat out beating people. All right, let me see here. Set Aptos. Look at so.
I'm seeing a bunch of nice intersect on this 4 hour. That just started a little while ago.
Aptos.
Litecoin. Bitcoin. I see you guys. I see your intersections. And I raise you.
All right. Aptos. You little shit. Well, you're not going to show me that pair?
ETH coin. Wow. Nice one on ETH coin. Ethereum.
Yeah, I can't even find this damn thing.
So many intersects. Wow. There's about to be another one on Doge. After the last one. Jeez.
Can't even find freaking Aptos Solana. pair. You have an Aptos Solana pair? I know we do. Where's it at though?
Bilbo wants to make me cry. You evil.
Nah, I'm gonna do that. I won't do that. Like, no, please.
Nah, you can. Easy.
Well, I mean, I don't even have to. I know what it looks like. I mean, Solana's
Yeah.
ripped. Jesus, Solana's ripped.
I got fucking hard. Well, it's life.
Especially if you were to flip all your Aptos into Sol down there at the bottom, and now right now probably go down and swap it back, you'd have a lot more Aptos. Let me see. I'm not telling you anything you don't already know, though. Of course, Solana. Yeah, man. It's at the top of its monthly. There's a lot of cryptos that aren't. Sol took off. Literally kicked up this little mini bull, to be honest. Bitcoin and Solana started ripping. Or Bonk. Did Bonk start the bull run? Oh, shit. Pretty funny. Let's see. Sol BTC. Yeah, we can't look at that, though. Let me see here. Finance. Yeah, why not? Shit. Not this again. Interesting indeed. Let's see here. Is this a 4 hour? Down below wave trend. Bitcoin getting ready to put a move on them. Maybe. What's dominance at? Wow, climb. 52.55 now. 5.6. Gonna suck a little juice out of the market. Telling you, man. And what was that? Let me see something real quick. Let's pop this on BTC. Put this on a monthly. Jesus. Scale this down a little bit. Still
you need to improve your graphic card, bro.
What's that?
You need to improve your graphic card.
Improve my graphics card. Is that what she said?
Yeah.
It's an iMac. There's no improving the graphics card. It is what it is. No, I definitely need to go my old iMac and pull all the RAM out of it and
just so
penetrate.
To buy and the top gaming PC.
I'm gonna do that today.
Be fine.
Yeah. Holy crap, man. We're above the 33 power mean right now. So on the monthly, I mean, we're above top side of the 68.3. It's at 36.307. We're literally $1,000 above it. Let's see here. And you got the 33 power mean right at 37K pretty much. So we're, $350 respectively above it. Look where you've got the 30 RMLR. $101,921.99 Bitcoin. Pretty close anyway. It's actually the real number, 102,511. 102,511. Peter Schiff, you're going to jump off a cliff if Bitcoin hits 100K? Probably. Maybe it'll drag gold with it. Never know.
Yeah. And it is leveling off down there.
Yeah. But by the end of the month, Bitcoin pumps. I could see the monthly at the 1SD. We're talking $41,300. 41,000. Oh, is that right? Hold on here. Yeah. $41,300. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah, entirely possible.
100%. It is. And that's on a monthly. Let me see this weekly. Got some, Bitcoin on the weekly. Got a nice range here. 28.5 area, to the downside, 10K. I don't know, man. I like BTC up here. Look, almost at 40K. This thing on the weekly just goes up. And you're only at the 95.4 Laplace. 95.4 Laplace, 40,477 on the weekly. Literally
Yep.
about 3K. BTC could do that in a 15-minute candle if it wants to. We know how it rolls.
Yep.
Moves with a passion. What time is it? Yeah, 11:30. God, I got a busy day. Unbelievable, all the shit I got to do. In the Dodge Hornet, having computer and software problems. Things brand new. You think I'm already investigating Indiana lemon laws? Absolutely. I am not happy. You're having computer problems. The car is brand new. Another one, please. Serve me up. I'll take another new car, especially a car I'm putting on 1,000 miles a week on it. That warranty is going to be done by summer. Next summer, the warranty will be up. Not going to let these jokers take advantage of me. Let me see.
Yeah,
it's just so stupid. It happens, though, man. It happens.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you have lemon laws. 38,493. Yeah, if you get up here on the daily on Bitcoin now, and this thing, I'm telling you, you close up here above like 38.4. This thing pumps $1,000 a day and closes. Look out, man. Although I see more sideways action. I really do. See some sideways action. Right when you say that, though, get some big buys coming in. Oh no! Look for XRP to dump. Elon Musk X post triggers bullish response from XRP army. Perfect time to dump it. What's it at? And it's down. Of course it's down. 1.4%. Hi, XRP army. Oh God. Bitcoin sets new all-time high. What? Oh God. I almost want to pull this up to see what they're even talking about. This is why news is so stupid. Let me see. Yeah.
Compared to some currency nobody ever uses.
Bitcoin sets new all-time high. Of what?
Yeah, exactly.
Against what pair? Not USD. Because that was at 70K.
Zimbabwe and whatever the hell it is.
And we got, Bitcoin ETF hype. Look out. Where's this 33 power meme at on the daily? 33.7.
Yeah.
Everybody out watching the news. News. I don't give a crap about the news. Especially, you have got the 11 crossing down, but then it crosses right back over here. I'm telling you, man. This thing just looks, Bitcoin and Solana. It would not surprise me at all to be in a nice range till the end of the month. Tell me, if the dollar pops out of the hole and pops out hard, considering where it's at on the monthly volatility range, I wouldn't be a bit surprised to see the dollar suck the wind out of every damn market. Traditionally in crypto.
An all-time high number of long-term investors. That's what it is. Yippee-ki-yay.
Oh.
Yeah, just the balance of long-term investors is higher than ever before.
All right.
And they're like, it's bullish. Really? Okay. It's enough. Thanks.
No.
I needed a degree in engineering for that.
For sure. Got up there. Oh, the FOMC minutes. Cares? Who freaking cares? And that's on the 21st. Yikes at doodle. All right. Yeah, and I wanted to kind of end this stream a little early. I got a lot of stuff to do. I've been going an hour and a half. Pretty much gave a lot of probabilities and stuff for, gold, Dixie, SPY, Bitcoin, Solana. Yeah, let's get off. Because I got a lot of stuff to do. Guys, thanks for all the support. I mean, this is a wild time. I had to start the stream late, so I appreciate your attendance. The teacher was late, and trust me, I'm just saying that and being funny. I'm definitely not the teacher. I'm just the VEPS, man. We're here to help you learn how to read these charts. That's why I'll never say, oh, look what I did. I'm always like, hey, man, I just know how to read the charts. I'm just following the leading information. It's not like I'm just got a crystal ball. Hey, Bitcoin's going to do this. That's not how we roll. It's not how we roll. We do have leading information, though. So if you're interested, link to the Discord is in the description. Come in, open a support ticket, request a free volatility starter pack. You will get that and the channels of education that go along with that. Full access to the public chat where you can ask questions like, hey, what the hell is this all about? I am clueless. I'm looking at this free volatility starter pack and it makes no sense. You know, questions like that. So we can actually help you understand what you're looking at.
Yeah.
All right, Trading View. Love you guys. See you're having your little sale. Yeah, Alpha Trading. We'll be getting our updated subscription soon. We appreciate you. Appreciate everybody watching on Trading View. Be safe wherever you live at on this big, beautiful blue marble. Have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. We will be here tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Alpha Trading out.
The trend is my friend until the end.
Yes.